for reservation? Yes! Woo! Ralph. Yes! Thank you very much. Okay, now audience, don't tell me what the item she's holding, but can you see the item? Yes! Uy, based on how it said yes, another huge item. Hindi mo kaya matago sa loob ng kamay mo. Can you see the color? Yes! Most of you are thinking brown. Yes! Can you see the shape? Pahaba. But somebody from the side is thinking triangular? Yes! Think of the textures. Naisip niyo ba yung texture? Yes! Oh, parang may inisip ni ma'am, parang medyo matte to na parang papapel. Oh! Sana tama ako. Am I right in saying, ma'am, that you are holding yung nakalagay sa table for reservation? Yes! Woo! Ay, ito, subukan natin. Huwag mo sabihin sa akin, mama, huwag mo sabihin sa akin. Pero isipin mo kung para kanino. Nakasulat ba yung pangalan?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Yung pagkasabi mo ng yes, parang may pabilog, so I'm getting an R. Is that for Ralph? Yes! Thank you very much.